Hello everyone, myself Prashant. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Today we will see contributions in the history of geography. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो जियोग्राफी सब्जेक्ट है उसका हिस्टोरिकल इवॉल्वमेंट कैसे हुआ है और डिफरेंट जो जियोग्राफर्स हैं या फिर जो थिंकर्स हैं या फिर जो फिलोसफर्स हैं उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या रहे हैं जियोग्राफी सब्जेक्ट में. सो वी विल सी दैट एंड वी विल सी दैट एट वर्ल्ड लेवल में कौन से जियोग्राफर्स थे जिनका बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा हो और इंडिया में किन किन जियोग्राफर या फिर थिंकर या फिर फिलोसफर है जिनका जियोग्राफी में एक पर्टिकुलर कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा हो. सो वी विल सी ऑल दोज थिंग्स एंड दिस वीडियो इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. दिस इज पार्ट 1. So let's begin. Firstly, we will see the contributions of geographers or philosophers at वर्ल्ड लेवल. ठीक है, वर्ल्ड लेवल पे कैसे कौन से डिफरेंट जियोग्राफर्स हैं जिनका डिफरेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है. वी विल सी दैट. So let's begin and start this lecture. So history of geography. Now in history of geography, Hecataeus Hecataeus is known as the father of geography. Very important. Hecataeus is known as the father of geography. Now just for knowledge purpose मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ कि जो हिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट है उसके उसके फादर कौन माने जाते हैं. तो वो हेरोडोटस है. हेरोडोटस इज कंसिडर्ड एज फादर ऑफ हिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट, राइट. बट जियोग्राफी सब्जेक्ट के कौन फादर माने जाते हैं? सो द पर्सन इज हिकैटियस, राइट. पार्डन मी फॉर द रॉन्ग प्रोनाउंसिएशन इफ एनी. Then it says that his famous book is Jes Periodos, meaning the description of the earth. Then the word geography was first used by a Greek scholar, Eratosthenes, and his period was from 276 to 194 BC. The word geography has been derived from two Greek words, that is geo and graphos. So what does geo means? So this both these words jointly means the description of earth. So you should know geography, a word means description of earth. Now we have seen who is the father of geography and various initial contribution. Now let's move forward and see other geographers or philosophers contribution. So the primary level arrangement of the subject was done by Greeks. Very important, right. Greeks were the people who did the primary level arrangement of the subject, and Eratosthenes was the first who tried to calculate the length of the equator and to calculate the circumference of the earth. Hence he is considered the father of geographical science. So Eratosthenes is called the father of geographical science, and the reason is obvious, that he calculated the length of equator and circumference of the earth. Now Hipparchus was the first person who divided the circle into 360 degree on the basis of Assyrian mathematics. So you should know the person was Hipparchus, and he was the first who divided the circle into 360 degree, right, the earth. So what is this 360 degree? So this 360 degree of earth. Now let's move to the next slide and see other important contributions, right, of other geographers. So he invented the astrolabe to determine longitudes and latitudes. So obviously we discussed Eratosthenes was the person who determined this longitude and latitudes. Then Aristotle was the first thinker who wrote about the shape of the earth as being spherical. Very, very important. The first person who propagated or who propounded about the spherical nature of the earth was Aristotle, and it was based on sound reasoning. Very important. It was not arbitrary. Then Ptolemy was the most famous Roman scholar of cartography and general geography. It was Ptolemy's articles which inspired geographers and researchers of the great ages of discovery, that is 14th and 15th century AD. So you should know that 14th and 15th century AD period is known as the ages of great discoveries, because in this period only various continents, various countries were discovered. Now, to discover the terra incognita or the unknown landsure, right? So as I said, it was ages of discovery. So during this period only, this terra incognita or unknown landsure concept came, and it basically means the discovery of unknown places or unknown continents, right? So Roman geographer Strabo in 640 BC to 336 AD considered the earth to be oblong, right? Historia Naturalia is the famous book of Pliny. You should know Historia Naturalia is the book of Pliny, very important. सी ये जितने जियोग्राफर हैं या फिर हिस्टोरियन है या फिर थिंकर हैं या फिर फिलोसफर है, इन पे बहुत बार क्वेश्चन बहुत सारे एग्जाम में पूछे गए हैं, राइट? ये प्लीनी है, इसके बारे में बहुत बार पूछे गए, जो थेल्स है उनके बारे में बहुत बार पूछा गया है, जो एनेक्सिमेंडर है उसके बारे में पूछा गया है. सो दैट इज वाई दिस पोर्शन आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, and that is why I have brought this portion and their contribution. Anaximander was the first to draw maps. He is regarded as the first cartographer. Cartographer means the person who makes maps, right? Then Thales and Anaximander are considered as the father of mathematical geography. So mathematical geography के father इसलिए माने जाते हैं because they did various sorts of mathematical calculation and came up with this mathematical geography. That is why they are known as the fathers of mathematical geography. According to the father of history, Herodotus, as I said at the starting of this video, all history must be treated geographically and all geography must be treated historically. So Herodotus said this, and he was the first scholar who tried to draw meridians on the map. Very, very important. The first person to draw meridians on the map was Herodotus. So we have discussed quite a few geographers. Now let's see other geographers and their contributions as well. So this period from 300 AD to 1200 AD is considered as the dark age in the Christian countries. The reason is, during this period there were no important or revolutionary thoughts or discoveries. So ये जो 300 से 1200 AD का जो पीरियड है, दैट इज नोन एज द डार्क एज, राइट? और डार्क एज इसलिए माना जाता है क्योंकि जैसे जो होता है ना, एक डिस्कवरी था या फिर जो बहुत सारे थॉट्स थे वो नहीं आ रहे थे इस पीरियड में. So that is why this period is known as dark age. और largely इस period में जो discovery of various continents और places और जो geography से related कोई चीज़ है वो discover नहीं हो पा रहे थे. That is why this period is known as the dark age. So you have known what dark age means, and now so I think I have covered all the important points in the first part. In the second part we will see the contributions, the geographers from India and their contributions, the philosophers from India and their contributions. So thank you for your time. Thank you so much.